Hey everyone, welcome to the last 2 weeks of our semester. So I combined our week 6 and week 7 announcements just so you can see what the expectations are for the next 2 weeks, and that way you can either go through, you're making up your work or work ahead, and you know what exactly to expect as we round out our class. So for week 6, it'll run from the 11th to the 17th. So everything will be due by Friday the 17th at 11:59. You are going to be working on Unit 4 with 13C, 14A, 14B. You have your lesson quizzes, which again have unlimited attempts, and then moving on to 15. I do need you guys working on your end of semester project, which you're going to be using the data from your mid-semester project to complete. For week 7, you have 2 lessons to complete, and that'll round out Unit 4. So then you're going to have your wrap up. Your project is going to be due by the 22nd, and this gives me time to grade it. And if any updates need to happen, you'll have that time frame, and then you have 1 quiz. So let me just quickly put this in student view so we can take a quick look at your end of semester project. So just like with your mid-semester project, there is a video that explains the expectations. So I do highly recommend watching this through. It's not a very long video, and again, it'll help explain what the expectation is. This project will cover units 3 and 4. Please make sure you're including all work, tables, and graphs with anything that you're submitting. So this is laid out just like the mid-semester project with part directions, questions, and your tips. You're again using the data from your mid-semester project to now answer questions that pertain to units 3 and 4. If you have any trouble when it comes down here to part 3, especially when when it's asking you to run a linear regression, please make sure you're reaching out. I'm happy to help you either pick the data and help you get that set up to actually be able to run the regression line and how to find your equation and coefficient of determination. So down at the bottom, there are the printable versions. Again, you can submit this as a formal paper, PowerPoint, or video presentation, but do make sure you're submitting all your supporting work as well. Take a look through the rubric so you know exactly how you're going to be graded. Again, you should be aiming for all of these 4s. So just read through this. Again, make sure you're also submitting it on time and that your project is neatly prepared. Again, if you guys have any questions, please reach out. I will not do a separate announcement for week 7. It'll just be kind of a rounding out announcement, and that's why everything is in one. I hope you guys have a great couple of weeks, and it was great working with you guys.